and Laughter roads. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, north central Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, central Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pickens, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Easley, Pickens, West Greenville, Berea, Welcome, Powdersville, Liberty, Cherryvale Point, Furman University and Bakersville. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drains. Here is a special weather statement. A strong